Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, shut down the PC and unplug power to avoid shorts, then ground yourself. Once done, remove the side panel and visually locate the motherboard I/O area where the RJ45 Ethernet jack is mounted. Make sure to inspect the chassis for an appropriate cable route. Use a grommet or existing cutout so the cord won't contact fans or sharp sheet metal. Doing this first prevents damage and keeps airflow intact. Next, prepare an external Ethernet cable long enough to reach your router or switch. Now route the Ethernet cable through the chosen grommet or side cutout, leaving a little slack inside the case so the jack isn't strained. Make sure the plastic clip on the RJ45 faces the correct direction for your motherboard port. Align the plug squarely and push firmly until you hear or feel a click. This ensures the internal latch engages. Once connected, secure the cable with a zip tie to the chassis frame. Keep bends gentle, no tighter than about 1/2 inch radius, to protect the twisted pairs. Finish by replacing the side panel, reconnecting power, and booting the PC. Once booted, check the small link/activity LEDs beside the Ethernet jack. They confirm physical connection and traffic. Then verify in your operating system that the network adapter shows a link. Install vendor NIC drivers if the adapter is missing or assign a static IP if your network requires one. If you get no link, try a known good cable, swap router ports, reseat the connector, and inspect for bent pins. These quick checks solve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.